Okay students, in the previous video you learned on the order list. Now we are going to learn unordered list. What is the unordered list? Whenever you list down the things, that will becomes bullets in front of the list. That will be a circle, that will be a point, that is called the bullets. So let's them learn unordered list. In unordered list the points are bulleted. So I want to show you the one of the demo for you. I am taking the same example that I already take, that is okay, I will show you the previously ordered list output. Now I am going to show you the unordered output, that is UN. You have to write down the UN here in place of UN, and here saved it, and I will show you that. Okay, this is the unordered list named. Here you can see that. Okay, so here you have to enter the LI as you can enter in the OL. आप जैसे OL में LI को यूज़ करते थे वैसे ही आपको सेम यहाँ पे भी एंटर करना पड़ेगा LI. I am copying that and enter in front of all the list. Save and show you the output here for the unordered list. You can see there will be dots come in front of all the lists. This is called the unordered list, means number will be not displayed to you, but it comes in the form of the list, means use the bullets for the unordered list. Next, there are the attributes of the unordered list. First, only one attribute is that is the type. The type attribute specify the types of numbering. It's not numbering, it's a type of the bullet. First, if you are writing UL type equals to circle, means that will be displayed a circle in place of the bullet. Okay, so I will show you I'm going to use the attribute, that is the type attribute equals to, in the double quote you have to write down the circle. Save. Refresh. So you can hear the output will becomes to circle. यहाँ पे पहले सर्कल नहीं था, सिंपल ब्लैक डॉट्स थे, तो उनकी जगह पे क्या आ गया, सर्कल आ गया. तो आपको नेम ऑफ बुलेट्स पता होना चाहिए. इफ़ यू नो द नेम्स ऑफ द बुलेट, दैट वे यू कैन चेंज हियर. इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग अ स्क्वायर, इफ़ दैट विल बी सपोर्टेड in your PC, in your browser, then you can see the output, you can see the difference. But if there will be not supported, that will be comes with the by default bullets. Here, okay, that will be a square. अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में, आपके फ़ोन में, आपके लैपटॉप में स्क्वायर नहीं आता, तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि वो ब्राउज़र उसको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है. ओके, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, डोंट पैनिक फॉर दैट if the square will be not come, just because some browsers are not supported for that. Okay, so we learned the two lists. First is the ordered list, second is the unordered list. Ordered list means the list will be with the number, means 1 2 3 4. You can also use the Roman numbers, you can also use the alphabets for the numbering for the list. And there are two types of attributes of the unordered list. First one is the type, and second one is the start. Type means if you want to start with the Roman number, then you can use the type I. If you want to use the alphabet for the list, then you can type A. Second is the start, means whenever you want to start your list, आप अपनी लिस्ट कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो, फर्स्ट नंबर से, थर्ड नंबर से, फिफ्थ नंबर से, that is your choice for your web page. Second, we learn the unordered list. Unorderly means whenever you put the bullets on the web page, that will be called the unordered list. UL means the unordered list. Okay, so one attribute of UL, that is the type for changing the bullets type. First you can write down the circle also. If you are not writing any of the type, then it will become the black dots, that will be, you can see here, this is the wrong output for this. Okay, that will be not completely filled black circle, it will become only circle without the filling color. Okay, so these are the types of order list, order and unordered list. Attributes of OL means order list are two. First is the type and start, second is the start. Unordered list, only one attribute is that is called the type. So here we done with the list, and next time we go ahead with the nested list, means list in the list. अनऑर्डर के लिए अंदर ऑर्डर लिस्ट होगा और ऑर्डर लिस्ट के अंदर अनऑर्डर लिस्ट होगा. That we learn in the virtual class, and hopefully you can do the practice for this. Okay, so bye students, we will meet in the virtual class again. Bye.